Christianity, one of the world's largest and most influential religions, has a complex history intertwined with various cultural, philosophical, and religious traditions. Despite its distinct teachings, rituals, and beliefs, Christianity's development was significantly influenced by the broader religious landscape of the ancient world. Paganism, a term used to describe pre-Christian religious practices, played a crucial role in shaping early Christianity. In this video, we'll be providing a wealth of information about whether Christianity is paganism or not. However, before we dive in, we kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel. If you enjoy the content, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support motivates us to conduct further research and create similar videos in the future. Historical background. The history of Christianity traces back to the 1st century CE in the eastern Mediterranean region, an era when various pagan religions were prevalent. During this time, the Roman Empire encompassed diverse religious practices, including polytheism, mystery cults, and nature worship. The intermingling of these religious beliefs significantly influenced the emergence and spread of Christianity. Adoption of pagan festivals. One of the most notable examples of pagan influence in Christianity is the adoption of certain festivals and celebrations. Early Christian leaders strategically incorporated some pagan festivals into Christian liturgical calendars to facilitate the conversion of pagan communities. For instance, the celebration of Christmas on December 25 coincides with the Roman festival of Saturnalia, a time of feasting and gift-giving. Likewise, Easter, commemorating the resurrection of Jesus, was placed around the time of the pagan spring equinox celebrations, honoring fertility deities. Iconography and symbolism. Early Christian art and iconography also reveal traces of pagan influence. In an effort to attract and accommodate a broader audience, Christian artists incorporated familiar pagan symbols and motifs into their works. The use of the cross, a common Christian symbol, bears a resemblance to the ankh, an ancient Egyptian symbol representing life. Additionally, Christian depictions of saints and biblical figures often mirror the portrayal of deities in pagan religions. Concept of Trinity. The concept of the Holy Trinity, a fundamental doctrine in Christianity, bears similarities to pagan triads found in various ancient civilizations. For instance, the triadic nature of Egyptian gods Osiris, Isis, and Horus, and the Greco-Roman triad Jupiter, Juno, and Minerva, may have influenced early Christian theologians as they developed the doctrine of the Trinity. Veneration of saints. In some pagan traditions, the veneration of ancestors and deified heroes was common. Early Christians, influenced by these practices, began to venerate saints and martyrs, believing they could intercede on behalf of the living. This practice evolved into what is now known as saint worship or intercession. Sacred sites and pilgrimage. Pilgrimage was a common practice in paganism, with believers journeying to sacred sites to seek blessings or spiritual experiences. As Christianity spread, it adopted this practice by establishing churches and shrines at sites associated with biblical events, apostles, or saints. This assimilation facilitated the conversion of pagans to Christianity by providing familiar religious practices in a new context. Syncretism and local adaptations. Throughout its expansion, Christianity encountered various local customs and beliefs, leading to syncretism, the blending of different religious traditions. In some cases, pagan deities were assimilated into Christian theology as saints or angels, further blurring the lines between the two belief systems. The development of Christianity is a fascinating journey intertwined with the cultural and religious fabric of the ancient world. Paganism played a significant role in shaping early Christianity, from the adoption of festivals and iconography to the development of theological concepts like the Trinity. As Christianity evolved and spread, it absorbed and transformed various pagan practices, leaving an indelible mark on the faith we recognize today. Understanding this interconnected history helps us appreciate the complexity of religious development and the enduring influence of ancient beliefs on modern faith systems.
If you found this video enjoyable, please consider liking and sharing it. Additionally, subscribing to this channel will ensure that you receive more updates in the future. Thank you.